Hello everyone. Today we are going to create this cool animation. So, let's start. Click A to select all. Press X and click Enter to delete everything. Click numpad 7 on keyboard to go to top view. Click Shift plus A. Select Mesh and then select Plane. With the plane selected, press Tab to enter edit mode. Press 2 on keyboard to go to edge select mode. Select an edge and click on E to extrude. Press X to extrude in X direction. Press C and hold Ctrl to extrude to grid size at the turns. Continue extruding in Y and X direction to get the shape of the structure. Click A to select everything. Click 3 on keyboard to enter face select mode. Hold down Shift and deselect the central two faces. Now press G and Z to move the selected portion along the Z-axis. Now hold Shift and deselect the other linked faces as I'm doing. Do this for the entire structure. We will be ending up with this. Now we need to create the railings. Press 2 to enter edge select mode. Hold down Shift and Alt and click on the edges to select multiple linked edges. Do this for inner and outer borders. Now click on E and Z and extrude in Z direction. Now tab out of edit mode. Go to the Modifiers tab and add a Solidify modifier. Set the thickness to 0.05. Now add a floor. Press Shift plus A and select Mesh. Now select Plane. This adds the floor. Press S and drag with mouse to scale the floor. Now go to a view you like. I'm going to set my camera now. Press Shift plus A. Select Camera. Click on Ctrl plus Alt plus numpad 0. This will lock the camera to current view. Now add our sphere. Press Shift plus A. Select Mesh and select UV sphere. Press G and Z and move it along the Z-axis. Click numpad 3 to go to side view and position the sphere. Position the sphere accurately by going to different views. Also click S and scale the sphere down. Select our floor and go to the physics properties. Go to rigid body and set this as passive. Select our structure and go to Physics Properties. Select Rigid Body and set this to Passive as well. Change the collision shape from Convex Hull to Mesh. Now select the sphere and go to Physics Properties. Set this to Active. Now preview the animation. Move the sphere so that it can roll down. In the edges where it does not roll, select the next edge and bring it down slightly. Do this for all the edges. This will make the ball roll as the surface becomes slightly sloped. Now preview the animation. Increase the number of frames to a higher number. Now we can add the materials. So go to Materials tab. I'm going to split my window and going to open my shader editor. Make sure to turn on Node Wrangler. Go to Edit. Select Preferences. In the Add-ons section, search for Node Wrangler and make sure to enable it. Now in the shader editor with the floor selected, select a new material. In the shader editor, click Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Now select the material. I have linked all the materials I have used in the description below. I'm selecting a wooden floor material. Select all the images and click Principal Texture Setup. This creates all the nodes and applies it to our floor. Go to Rendered View in 3D Viewport to see the material being applied. You can delete the displacement node, but I'm going to keep it for now. Now select the structure and add material to it. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus T. Select the material. I'm adding a red painted material to the structure. Now select our sphere and add a material. I'm adding a steel-like material. Now close the shader editor. I'm just raising the structure so that it stays above the floor. Raise the sphere to a small height to get more pace while rolling. Now go to World Settings. Click Numpad 0 to go to Camera View. Click on Color. Select Environment Texture. I'm going to open up a HDRI. The link will be given in the description. Now select the camera. Go Camera Settings. Set the focal length to 85 mm. Click G and with the scroll wheel press on drag to scale the camera. Click G and move to position the camera as well. Also move the floor to position it as you need. Now go to Output Properties and specify a location for the output. I'm rendering as PNG here. Now go to the Render Properties and turn on Ambient Occlusion, Bloom, Screen Space Reflections and Motion Blur. Go to Film and tick Transparent if needed. I'm not checking it as it is not interfering with my camera view. Go to Color Management Settings and set the look to Medium Height Contrast. Now save the blend file. Now click Ctrl plus F12 or go to Render and select Render Animation. Now you will have the animation ready. Like, subscribe and share for more contents like these. Thank you.